Ever wondered how a video transforms from raw footage into a gripping, captivating story? Well, it's all thanks to the unsung heroes of the film industry, the video editors. Imagine being a video editor. You're handed hours and hours of uncut footage, and it's your task to shape it into a coherent and engaging narrative. It's like being given a giant jigsaw puzzle with no image on the box to guide you, and your job is to piece it together. The first phase in this complex process is what we call logging and capturing. This is where you'll review and organize all the raw footage. It's about familiarizing yourself with the content, making notes of key moments, and essentially laying the groundwork for the editing process. Once you've got your footage sorted and organized, it's time to move on to the rough cut. This is the stage where you start to structure your story. You'll piece together scenes, trim down clips, and start to see the basic shape of your narrative emerging. Following the rough cut, you'll refine your work in the final cut. This is where you'll fine-tune the pacing, transition between scenes, and perfect the overall flow of the video. It's a meticulous process, requiring a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of storytelling techniques. But the job isn't over yet. The next stage is post-production, a stage that includes color grading, sound editing, and adding special effects. It's about enhancing the visual and auditory experience, creating mood and atmosphere, and giving the video that professional polish. Then, finally, there's the export stage. After all the cutting, trimming, and polishing, it's time to export the video in the right format, ready for its intended platform. Whether it's for cinema, television, or online streaming, each platform has its own specific requirements. To sum up, video editing is a complex, multi-step process. It starts with the logging and capturing of raw footage, moves on to the rough cut where the basic structure of the story is formed, then on to the final cut, where the video is fine-tuned and polished. Post-production follows, where color grading, sound editing, and special effects are added, before finally exporting the video in the correct format for its intended platform. So next time you watch a movie, a TV show, or even a YouTube video, spare a thought for the video editors. They're the ones who've taken that raw footage and transformed it into the story that captivates you, the story that makes you laugh, cry, or simply keeps you on the edge of your seat. And that, my friends, is the magic of video editing.